or teacher or parent in my classmate here. My topic is translate vocabulary. My name is Malane. I am 13 years old. I live in St. Village, Cambodia. Come you reach my district, Bukmu province. I am a student at Ulai International School, Level 2. My teacher's name is Sun Kung Chiang. My classmates are very friendly and kind to me. I have 4 members in my family. My mother's name is Diya. My father's name is Dimri. In my free time, I like to do my homework and help my mother's work. Okay, let's start. Translate vocabulary. ហើយខ្ញុំយូអ្នកពីពួកយើងពីពួកគេពីគាត់ស៊ីនាងអ៊ីកណា Listen start ផតតាប់មកឆៃយកឆ្នាំទេថ្ងៃទូដេថ្ងៃនេះបែរស្រមបន្ទុកគេបែរ friend មើលល្អ prefer អាហារពេលព្រឹក dinner អាហារពេលល្ងាច แล้วអាហារពេលថ្ងៃ